this kind of people. For example, in Strasbourg, there is a restaurant run completely by people who have autism. So we tried to find a table for two. It was so difficult. Everything was completely packed. So people go there to appreciate and encourage and motivate this kind of. And also, in case if somebody is not able to speak well or speak, and they give a small notepad saying that I'm unable to speak. Could you please write down the order? I'll be happy to serve you. So this is again a little bit of touching, and even if they make a small mistake, they forgive them.
How is that we're doing this is in Raia itself. Right now, like Raju said, we had about 10-15 people that we've met and interviewed and, already in process with them. Once this is all set up, then we will, put it out there and get as many as, we want to help as many people as we can.
We have to train them first.
Yes, we have to. There's a full training process before that. So it's not
small start and then let's hope to grow.
It's one thing.
Yeah. First of all, there has to be a very strict order in where things are kept. Now, with the new technology is not only in cars, as well in the kitchen, very clear. We have a lot of technology in speaking, weighing scales, and whatever you can have.
Yeah,
like a lot of equipment is there which helps the blind or visually impaired or disabled people to work in. The safety aspect is a concern. Definitely it is, but there has to be someone as well in the kitchen present who is visually able to see danger coming. But then, of course, there is a question of space, there's a question of the movement that has to be trained, and that is where the challenge lays. So everyone should have their specific task and know exactly where their stuff is, not like maybe in a normal kitchen where sometimes things are here and things are laying around. So there has to be a very, very strict order and a very clear system of where things are kept. So salt should be always there, but salt is pepper should be always, so that it becomes a routine without the necessity to read. And they are very aware. I mean, if you are blind, for example, your other senses are higher or are getting more developed. So, and the idea is definitely to learn from both the sides. Now, once people are coming in, we will see where the difficulties are. Then we will have to be flexible to make changes